Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be telling you the recipe for churros. This recipe is totally awesome and you guys should really try this. For this recipe, we are going to be needing 1 cup of all-purpose flour sifted, 1 cup of water, half cup of butter, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And literally, that's all you need for this recipe. But you will also be needing a stove, so be mindful of that. First step, you are going to be needing your stove and the pan, which is already preheated. So I'm going to add in 1 cup of water into the pan. And I'm going to let this come to a boil. Point you can see bubbles are starting to come, so this is the cue for putting the butter into the water. So I'm just going to take the butter out. This is unsalted butter, not salted. Okay. So now I'm just going to let the butter melt, and I'm just going to mix this. At this point, I'm going to add when it's starting to boil, I'm going to add the sugar into the flour, sift it, push it down, make sure it's well sifted, and I'm going to add in all of this into the butter. There. I'm gonna mix this. And you'll start to see it's starting to become like a thick dough. Just change to my whisk. So it's all starting to come together now, like a dough. Just come together like a dough, like this. I'm going to turn the stove off and I'm going to let this cool down. This is cooled down. I'm going to put this into my mixer. If you do not have this, you can do this by hand as well. Okay. So I'm gonna fix this in. There. I'm going to add 1 egg at a time. And turn the mixer on. And I'm just gonna let that combine. Well, let's get this thing. Add the second egg in. Try to mix it. So now this is well combined. It's ready to transfer to our piping bag. A good way to fill your piping bag is have a glass or a deep container underneath it, and then it'll be easier for you to fill it in. So I'm going to take our churro batter. Oh, slipping out. There. Just going to put it in. Push it down. Take some more. I think that'd be enough. And over here at the back, I have some oil already preheating in which we are going to be frying our churros. So now this is starting to come out. I'm just going to push that in. I'm going to do this with the rest of the batter. And I have a star tip on this nozzle, by the way. Oops. Got this change in. What I'm starting to do over here is I'm making them by hand now. So as you can see, I've already made 2. I have 2 long ones here. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to cut them in, I think, thirds. This here, I am starting to make some of these by hand, and they're actually turning out pretty well. So I'm just gonna put these for frying. I'm gonna put these for frying first. Got my spoon here. I'll roll these on. Take it to the fry. Come back. Pick another one up. Roll it on. Put that one on in as well. 2, the fry pan. got 2 more over here. Very careful while doing this. I'm just gonna let these become golden brown. Okay, I've taken the ones that were done by the piping bag out, and they are actually really good. We got that golden brown crispy outer that we want. Let's gonna have a look at these. And we want this color to also be golden brown. Another batch of these handmade ones in here. And over here I've taken the first batch out, and they look actually great. So this is an alternate method if you do not have piping bags. These are my style churros. I'm going to be using a cookie cutter as well. So I'm going to take all the dough out. I need to make a nice ball out of it. Slap it down. And I'm going to roll these out to be around 1/2 inch thick. There, that's quite thick. Okay, so I'm gonna put the cookie cutter in, pull it out. There, you got it. Okay, now I'm just gonna do this to the rest. And then we'll fry. Just keep on doing it. And you're gonna be really careful while frying these as well. These. Okay, so that's done. Gonna take these out as well. And I'm just going to take these out now. You have to be very careful. Okay, got another one out. Another one. And another one. And another one. Another one. And another one. Ta-da! Oh, yay. I'm just going to take these last 4 out. Then we're ready for frying. I'm going to put these in. Be very careful while doing this. And these look actually very pretty because of this. So scary. Okay, there. And I'm just gonna let these become golden brown now. So over here, and I've also made these thick ones here, thick sticks, thin sticks. I have some big ones. I have some small ones. Use the cookie cutter, and these ones are ready. These last 2. So these are part of that. Like different families. The thin stick, the fat stick, the small circle, and the big circle. Okay, and now I'm gonna head to the counter. Fried, and now it's time for the topping. So I have the cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons of the powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of the brown sugar. I'm gonna add all of it in here. And I'm using a deep bowl so that when we're dipping our churros in it, they fully dip. Just gonna whisk these all together. And now that that's done, I'm gonna set this aside. I'm going to add in the thin stick churros into this first. And I'm gonna get this in the sticks. And once they're all coated, I'm going to take these ones out. Just bring them to the side. And then we're going to add in our thick ones. Make these well coated. Just roll them in with my hands. There, I'm going to take these ones out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And these tiny little baby sticks in here. And put them in, mix them in your hands. Take them out. and these big ones. Just going to add in the rest as well. And my way of mixing. Oops. Mix it all together. And then open it up. Ta-da! They're done. Now I'm just going to take these out. And, whoa, sugar. Too much sugar. These are done. And now we have to go to the next. Okay, your churros are ready. And guys, these look awesome. Okay, I have some Nutella over here, which I've taken out this. And let's try it now. Dip it in. This is awesome. You guys should really try this recipe because you will love it. And if you like this video, tell me in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos, and go follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Bye!